आपने सनबर्न म्यूजिक कंसेप्ट के बारे में तो सुना ही होगा, जो कि लाइव म्यूजिक फेस्टिवल होता है जिसमें म्यूजिक, डांस, फूड और फुल ऑन मस्ती होती है। तो ऐसा ही कुछ कंसेप्ट है बॉलीबूम फेस्टिवल का, जिसकी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस पर दिखे सलीम सुलेमान, तलत अजीज, सोनू निगम। वहीं सलीम ने कहा कि हमारी अपनी कंट्री के लिए बॉलीबूम एक बड़ी बात है।
Had a meeting with Harry and with Manoj, and it just started off as a concept which, we just got our heads thinking about it. That we make music, and we, of course, make music for movies and for other things, and then what? The music becomes part of the film, and then that's it. And then when the film dies and everything dies, the music stays on, of course, and we keep performing, but there has to be a different avenue. There has to be, we see that, after the show is over, after our performances are over, when we perform, do concerts, there are after hours which are playing remixes of our own soundtracks, and then we see the world dancing to it. And in our concerts, of course, people are having a great time, but the euphoria finally shifts to another place where people are playing our own music in a different presentation. So why not make that presentation mainstream? Why not make this presentation as the main performance? And this is something which really is internationally is a big thing. And Bollyboom is a name to this entire show which we are putting up. But the whole euphoria of music, along with lights and the technology behind it, which we experience as individuals, as audiences, as artists outside India, we want to create this for our own country.
सलीम और सुलेमान, जो कि बॉलीवुड में कई हिट ट्रैक्स दे चुके हैं, सुलेमान ने वहीं कहा कि आज का यूथ इज इन बिग टाइम लव विद म्यूजिक एंड दे वांट मोर एंड मोर।
A David Guetta concert recently, and I was watching the audiences, and there was a sea of people. You could just see people jumping together on the beat, and we've seen this happening with our concerts, but not to the extent that it was. And you realize that the youth of today wants a different kind of music. They want a different kind of sensibility. Sure, they love Bollywood music, but they love the kind of grooves that come out. They love the whole escalation of music. They love the whole euphoria. And it's not something that we can't do. So why restrict ourselves just to creating music for Bollywood when we can actually create the euphoria and make people go crazy? So that's where the whole concept and the whole thought came through. And I think India is at a stage where it's ready to embrace electronic dance music. And when we do electronic dance music, why not do Bollywood dance music? It's that simple.
तलत अजीज ने कहा कि ये कंसेप्ट को अकेले आगे ले जाना पॉसिबल नहीं।
There's a famous saying by, I just mentioned this, Bernard Shaw. He said a long time back, he said, you see things and say why. You see things and say why. I dream things that never were and say why not. And that is exactly his philosophy. We connected and I started thinking about it and I said, yes, we'll do it. Because as an artist, I always feel that an artist should not limit himself or herself to just their genre. They can do that. I mean, it's a sea. Art is a sea. But if you want to expand, if you want to explore, if you're brave enough to do that, yes, you can do it. And I think, and the first thing which came to my mind was, I can't do this alone. I have to have my dear brothers right sitting here. And without them, this cannot happen. This is the creative engine for this whole concept, which will take it to, it's not going to be a remix, what you have heard so far. It is going to be something completely different, which I think time will itself show.
वहीं सोनू निगम ने कहा कि ये इलेक्ट्रॉनिक म्यूजिक कंसर्ट सिर्फ यूथ के लिए नहीं, बल्कि सबके लिए होगा।
for him to come to me and say that this is something that we have in our mind, and me and Harry are thinking this together, and this is called something like BDM, Bollywood dance music. And of course, I have just having recently worked with Avicii, who's the top 5 DJs of the world. I am aware of the concept, much less than Salim and Suleiman, because they are the pros in this field, in the authorities in music. 60% of India is youth, but this Bollywood dance music doesn't cater to only youth. I'm talking about those businessmen and shopkeepers and who like older songs, who want to take their families out to a mela, to a fair, and they'll feel that, you know, this is going to be a scenario where you're going to hang out. The kids can be there too, the mothers can be there too. They can eat good food, enjoy some music which they connect to, because everybody doesn't connect to Avicii kind of music. Everybody doesn't understand the real electronic dance music. It is actually the forte of people like Adnan sitting over there, who listen to such music and who are well versed with this kind of music. Even I do not know so many names.
Now we have to wait and watch कि ये live event mix of electronic dance music and Bollywood will really make music lovers dance on their feet.
खबरों की दुनिया में आइए, हमारे साथ कहीं भी और कभी भी जुड़िए। हम मिलेंगे फेसबुक पर, हम दिखेंगे यूट्यूब पर, हमें फॉलो कीजिए ट्विटर पर। खबरों के साथ बने रहिए रात दिन।